How's it going, guys? This is finally the video I was trying to put up. Now, this is the 2000 Toyota Solara manual transmission. I found it at my local marketplace. The owner was asking $700. I actually got it for $300. The car wasn't running when I got it. It's been sitting for 7 years. From last I know, the girl who owned it bought a new car and she just put it away. It's been sitting in the field ever since. Now, I've done work already on it. You know, I have all 4 rims. Those are just steelies for now because the rims need tires. So I'm gonna go with steelies for now, especially that winter's coming. I'm just trying to give you a little walk around on it. I bought a few things. Yeah, I don't mind that. That was actually brake fluid, because I actually changed the master cylinder on it, and because I had bad brake issues, I actually changed all rotors. Well, not all of them. Yeah, I'm waiting for the back ones to come in. I changed the calipers, rotors in the front, master cylinder. Look, that was the last time it was registered. Well, not registered, but inspected. That's a long time. Give you a quick walk around. You know, it's actually not in bad shape. You know, yeah, you got some peeling. I changed the back bumper. Back bumper was cracked, but luckily there's a few of them the same color in the junkyard where I'm at now. I'm waiting on the rear rotors and calipers, because the calipers, they all shot. So, just like I said, give you a quick walk around. Let's give it a cold start. I haven't started it all day. Let's get in here. Like I said, don't mind the mess. I leave all my tools in here. Yeah, that's interior's in pretty good shape. Besides this seat, zoom in, better quality. There you go. Manual V6. You know, yeah, I got stuff back here. So let's give it a quick cold start. Let's see here. She starts right up. Right now, she had a little over a half a tank of fuel when I got it. So this fuel is old, and she still idles good with the old gas. Everything works. The power windows, both sides. Let's check out this side. Both windows work. Actually, sunroof actually works too. Sorry, I know it's blurry. Okay, let's pop this hood real quick. Show you a few things that I have gotten done on it already. There's a lot more to be done. I know it's a little loud because the exhaust. The flex pipe is broken, and I got a muffler to put on too. See, this is hanging, but this is just a clip. I just forgot to get them, so I just tuck it in there real fast. So come on, clear up. There she goes. So far what I did was I put a battery in it, a new starter. Well, not a new starter, I got it from the junkyard. Actually, the wires, NGK, that go to this car, brand new. I put brand new spark plugs that go to this car, the original. As you see, the alternator is brand new belt, but I actually need to get the other belt for the power steering. I was having a little trouble putting the new mount here. New what's that, like a motor mount or whatever. I had a little issue there, so I haven't put it on yet because I still got to get into the timing. That's going to be in a later video. The master cylinder is brand new. So actually, she's not a bad car. Oh, and I changed the hood. Under here was rusty when I first got it, so I changed it. But like I said, I found it all the same color. Yes, it got paint peel, but I'm gonna take care of that after I get all that I need done. You know, it needs a windshield. There's this little surface rust here. It ain't deep, but I got to take care of that before I get the windshield done. What else here? Like I said, I'm waiting for the brakes. I'm gonna do a video on the rear brakes when it's all done. What else here? Trying to give you everything. Well, I'm gonna show you the trunk with all parts. Oops, wrong one. Don't mind, I got all my tools. It's all a mess in here. Those were old pieces that didn't even fit. One of them, this was the old one that came out the car. Look how bad that was. This one I got from another Solara, but this was actually for one with traction control, so it was the wrong part. I'm missing the muffler, so sorry guys, I only got one hand here. So why ain't you coming out? I got this just for sound, brand new. Bought it just for sound because the muffler is missing. But before I do that, I'm gonna put in the flex pipe that's actually broken. Move some stuff out here. I have a full suspension parts. This is something important, guys. The whole timing kit right here has everything that I need. Time belt, water pump, idler pulleys, I believe. All ASIN, baby. Tensioner. Yeah, I put a lot of money into this girl. You know, I wanted to bring her back to life, you know. And plus, I love doing this, so. But like I said, don't mind this mess right now, because after I'm finished all this, I'm gonna take it all out. Now this, what is this? I got suspension parts too, yeah. I got all rear suspension parts that'll go in. You know, in and out of tie rods. You know, ball joints. So that'll be, you know what I'm saying, one video. What else? I got that's some rear suspension parts there too. Got my timing. Let me cover this better. Sorry, I know I'm all over, guys. I know I'm all over, but let me close this better. I don't want this falling everywhere. Yeah, I'm such a mess here. All brand new parts. This, what is actually this? Let's see what we got here. I forgot what this was. Yeah, this box is just. Well, anyway, you get the point. These are all like suspension parts and everything. So let me close that up. So yeah, she's actually goes into gear fine. Doesn't give me no issues. You know, like I said, I'm gonna buy this deal just for the winter. And then I'll do something about these rims, because if you look closely here from sitting, yeah, they're all like pitted and stuff. So these need to be repolished and everything. I'm just gonna use them like that. You see how bad that rotor is? Yeah, these are bad. They need to be done. So that's it right now. Like I said, I got to get windshield wipers. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, she did not run when I got her at all. Now look, she's idling perfectly. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see. Like I said, I got the timing coming, the timing belt job coming. I'm gonna post a video on that. Post a video on a few things like the security, how I had to bypass it, which is actually pretty easy, so you guys wouldn't have a hard time doing it. You know, if you ever have an issue that your alarm's going off and you don't have the key fob, I know exactly what to do to make that go away, so you can start your car. You won't be, you know, stranded or whatever. All right, so I hope to see you guys in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, your concerns, whatever. All right, see you on the next one.